Continuous learning is integral for medical doctors to stay updated with advancements in medicine, maintain competency, and provide high-quality patient care. CPD encompasses various sources that enable doctors to enhance their knowledge, skills, and professional capabilities. Here is a detailed critical analysis encompassing various aspects of CPD for medical doctors. The importance of CPD. CPD ensures doctors remain informed about advancements, new treatments, and best practices in the medical field. Continuous learning equips doctors with updated knowledge and skills, enhancing the quality of patient care and outcomes. CPD aids in career progression, maintaining professional standards, and fostering personal growth within the medical profession. CPD methods and sources. Evaluating the balance between structured formal education, such as courses, postgraduate studies, and informal learning sources, such as conferences and online resources, is crucial. Assessing the accessibility and credibility of various CPD sources, such as journals, online platforms, workshops, and conferences, ensures relevance and reliability. Challenges in CPD. Balancing CPD activities with clinical responsibilities might be challenging due to demanding schedules. Costly formal education programs or subscription-based online resources may hinder access for some medical professionals. The abundance of medical information can be overwhelming, making it challenging to discern credible sources and stay updated effectively. Lack of access to updated resources, limited funding or time constraints impacts the effectiveness of CPD efforts. Some medical professionals are reluctant to adopt new learning methods or technologies for CPD. Technology and innovation in CPD. Digital platforms, webinars, virtual conferences, and innovative technologies like AI and VR can enhance CPD. Adapting to emerging technologies is crucial for effective CPD. Evaluation and feedback. Feedback mechanisms and regular evaluation are essential for continuous improvement, a continuous assessment to understand the impact of CPD on clinical knowledge, skills, and patient care outcomes. Now let's run through a comparative analysis of different CPD sources. Formal educational programs, including academic courses and postgraduate studies, offer a carefully curated and structured curriculum. This ensures a deep dive into specific medical fields. The main challenge is that full-time courses can be time-intensive, demanding a significant commitment. On top of that, formal education involves a considerable financial investment. Conferences, seminars, and workshops serve as a haven for the latest research, trends, and advancements in medicine. Participation allows doctors to build connections with peers, specialists, and experts in their field, creating a professional archipelago. The timing of conferences may clash with busy work schedules, creating tidal challenges for doctors striving to attend regularly. In addition, short-term events might not provide the depth of knowledge comparable to longer educational programs. Online learning platforms and courses, along with journal publications and medical literature, allows doctors to access courses and materials at their own convenience, catering to diverse schedules and preferences. Whilst convenient and cost-effective, online resources are not uniform and may lack accreditation and credibility. Practical experience aids in applying theoretical knowledge to patient care, transforming learning into real-world application. Although practice makes perfect, learning through clinical practice might not cover a wide range of medical specialties or areas, potentially limiting the breadth of knowledge acquired. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified for new videos on medical appraisals and revalidation. Let's now take a look at various CPD websites and platforms for medical doctors from around the world. Medscape Education offers a wide range of medical content, including articles, case studies, and accredited courses across various specialties. BMJ Learning provides access to evidence-based courses and modules, offering CPD accredited content for medical professionals. RCGP Learning is tailored specifically for general practitioners, offering clinical modules, guidelines, and case studies, often with membership benefits for the Royal College of General Practitioners. ACP Online Learning Center offers a variety of resources including educational activities, clinical guidelines, and tools for physicians in various specialties. These are a few of the many other CPD websites and platforms available. There are also other websites that offers a variety of free CPD courses specifically for medical doctors. Future Learn offers a variety of free CPD courses related to health and medicine. Coursera provides free access to certain courses related to healthcare, medicine, and public health from reputable universities and institutions worldwide. OpenLearn free courses in health, sports, and psychology. Stanford Online provides access to free courses in healthcare and medicine offered by Stanford University. These are some of the many other websites offering free courses that medical doctors can take advantage of. Do note that whilst these platforms offer free courses, some may also provide the option to purchase a certificate upon completion. In conclusion, CPD for medical doctors encompasses diverse sources, each with its advantages and limitations. A holistic approach, combining formal education, conferences, online learning, literature review, and clinical practice, allows doctors to acquire a comprehensive skill set and stay up to date with the evolving medical and healthcare landscape. Each source plays a crucial role in the continuous professional development of medical doctors, complementing and supporting their ongoing learning and growth within the medical field. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on medical appraisals and revalidations. A message on behalf of Professor Rehan Kazi. For those seeking a fragrance experience that harkens back to the glory days of Aventus, this Holy Grail edition is a must-have addition to your collection. Liquid Silver. Holy Grail edition is an absolute gem that surpasses the current batches of Creed Aventus in several significant ways, along with the addition of Molecule 01. With Avant-Garde, S1CK has created a masterpiece that combines the science of pheromones with the art of fragrance. Unleash your inner confidence and allure with Avant-Garde, the ultimate pheromone fragrance for the modern man. Both products are highly recommended. Check out their fragrance collection at s1ckshop.com